Alright, so welcome to part 5, I think it is. I'm not even sure. In this episode, we're going to adjust the camera. Okay? So let's do that. Let's adjust the view. Now to do that, it's extremely simple. All you have to do is select your character. And we're going to go to the side-scroller blueprint. Double click on it. We're going to go to viewport. We can display the monkey if you wanted to. You don't have to. This is only for looks. The mesh to the monkey. Make sure you select this class. Okay. One thing we can fix here is the capsule height. Okay, it's a little too big. It doesn't matter right now, but we're going to fix that. But right now we want to change the camera. Okay, so and there is our camera. Okay, just zoom out and you'll be able to see the camera. Simply just drag the camera to the side. That will give you a farther away view. Okay. Let me make this bigger. And you can see that now you can see more of the level. So there is our camera. It looks not too bad. I like that actually. You can also change the camera while playing the game. Okay, so in certain areas you probably want to display less of the level, and you probably want to zoom in or zoom out. Alright guys, don't forget to smack the like button down below and subscribe. Also, there is a bell next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.